It's a real live video, a sideways video. Hadn't done a sideways video in a long time. Maybe we should push. Oh, she rolling. As long as we don't hit the Daddy's $70,000 car, I guess we'll be good.
God, the tire's so, it's bending down, it's so deflated.
It's flattening. And they're gonna take this over to Mama's house. And park it. This is kind of crazy. I haven't seen this truck moved in like 4 years. Wow. The hole in the grass. There was gravel here. I don't even remember that. They did it. John hunted his tractor. I see that. It's tired on the back. It's sad. We need to restore this thing. Like a project. A YouTube project. Unfortunately, me in optometry school, I don't have time for this kind of stuff right now. Alright, well I guess they got it moved and I'm gonna mow now. So it's time.